Alright, so I got a real nice Whirlpool top freezer, bottom refrigerator here. And the problem with it is everything works on it. The lights are on and everything like that. Compressor's running. What's these doors? You can hear the compressor running. A lot of times with these models, there's a little relay right here. If you hear this compressor running and start humming and it makes a clicking sound, the problem is that right there, that relay. You can order that relay. You can look up your model and your serial number on your refrigerator and get that relay offline, and simple, easy fix. But on this one, the compressor's running. As you can hear, it's just buzzing away. But there's no fan running. You can see the fan's not running. Refrigerator's on. And it feels somewhat cold, but if you was to put food in here right now, and the freezer's kind of cold, but there's no fan circulating the air, so it wouldn't be able to cool properly. So what we're gonna do in this video is I'm gonna show you how to change that fan out. I've already got one for this model because I have several parts just laying around from old no good machines that I've gotten from making a delivery or a pickup or something. I'm gonna show you how to switch that out. This one right here, a lot of times they'll lock up. This one, it spins real good. I'll show you when I get it out. The motor itself's just burnt up. All right, so what you're gonna need is a 1/4 inch bolt. And all you gotta do, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch nut. You just take these off. It's only gonna be a couple of them. Get one up here. Pull these bolts out. This one out. Pull this one right here out. Sit these off to the side so we don't lose which one. You can pull this stuff off. Sit it off to the side. Let's get this piece off. Sit it off. Some of these models, you have a little cover right here where I took this bolt off at. There's a ground wire right here. Pull that thing off, it just clips on there. You just pull this whole cover here off and you set it off to the side with the rest of your stuff. Alright, so on this fan right here, as you see I'm gonna unplug it in just a second. You see the fan's not working, the compressor's running like I told you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug this thing. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Alright, so you can see I got it off. You don't want to mess none of this stuff with it on, you know, that ain't no good, you know. Go to the hospital or fixing a refrigerator, better off buying one in that case. What you want to do is I'm gonna, the motor I got, let me grab it real quick. It's an exact fit, and you can order them with that blade, and it's a little bit more expensive. You can get it without the blade. It's a little cheaper that way, so I just got it without the blade because I have several blades just laying around. That blade, any blade, they all fit on the same one. So let's go ahead and get this one off. All right, so what you got here is you got another 1/4 inch there holding this bracket on. You got one right here where this ground wire's at. Alright. Let's get these off. just fell right on down. Pull that off, pull this bracket off. I need these two connections here. We'll see what's going on here. We got a rubber piece. We'll take the rubber piece off the back of this one. Hang on a second. My rubber piece on the back of the fan that I just took off, I'm gonna pop that piece off. And I'm gonna put it over here on the new fan. Alright, so there's a little rubber piece right here on the bracket that goes around it. Pull it off and slide it on my fan here. Slide it on here. Makes it where everything's not moving and it's real quiet. You'll see by the end of the video how quiet this thing is. So what you do is you got a ground wire right here. You got the one that goes on the bolt right here on the bracket. And then you got this one right here. It slides on the back of the motor right there. Alright, once you got that one connected, bring it up here. Get this up here in place. Alright, so getting it all lined back up like we need, getting it all hooked up here. Very easy process to do here. All we're gonna have to do once we get that all slid in place here, put our 2/4 inch bolts back right there. Give me 1 second, we'll put those on. We'll take that ground wire, make sure on that one you put the ground wire on that bracket, because that's another extra ground wire there. Alright, got those bolts back on. We're going to tighten them up. Tighten this one over here up. Okay, we got that all on there. All I got to do now is connect these two wires. We'll go ahead and pop this fan blade back on here. Spinning real nice. All right, let me get this connected real quick. Alright, so we've got everything connected back together now. We can plug this thing in real quick. Hang on 1 second. And there you got it. It's running quiet as a whistle. Check that out. So now, this refrigerator is ready to be sold. What we'll do is got everything put back together, got everything connected. Everything back. Hold on to this thing. Before I plug this thing in, I went ahead and connected that ground wire back. Let's cover back on this. Everything back together. I can show you here. Let me show you here on this one here. I want to see. You can see that this one was just burned up. So I get the focus here. You see that burntness? See this one running real good now. Real nice freezer. That's how you fix a fridge that's not cooling. Pressure's running, but your fan's not in the freezer.